Hello everyone. Today we're going to do another Minecraft video on options. So this is just settings for your kids and we're just going to walk you guys through the menu. So let's first go to options. So keep this at normal. This is a kind of how your screen fits in. Keep it at normal. Okay, so skin customization. Skins in Minecraft is what your avatar, your character in Minecraft will look like. So, ever since the 1.8 update, you've been able to add in like a sleeves and like extra layer pants, like an extra layer to your skin, and a hat and a jacket and stuff. So like torso, arm, whatever. So this is like clothing or whatever. This is used for some skins. I recommend just keeping it all on. I usually don't want to take it off because then you gotta go options and do this. And it's usually only used when you're like showing off to friends. Okay, so capes. You will get a cape in Minecraft in one of two situations that I know of. Or three. The first one is if you attend Minecon, which is the Minecraft convention. Tickets fill up quick. They're in different locations each time. Not a lot of you guys will get one. Just keep cape off or on. Secondly, you can get it through a Mojang special event. So if there's this doesn't happen a lot, but if the developers just decide, hey, we're having another game release coming out, or it's like a celebration for something, let's give everyone a cape for the day. So like everyone knows about this event going on. It's like a kind of small marketing thing. Thirdly is using modifications to the game to make you look like you have a cape. It will only work with other people who also have the mod, but this will not be valid. This will not work with the mod. That one button. Okay. Music and sounds. Really simple. Master volume. I'm going to put this up. So music. Weather. Hostile creatures. Anything that is going to try to kill you. Players. New jukebox and note blocks. I'm assuming all of you know what a jukebox is. There's a block in Minecraft that does the same thing. A note block is kind of the same, but every time you punch it, it produces a note. And the sound of Minecraft music is kicking in. Friendly creatures and ambient environment. This is like gravel falling, fire, etc. Alright, video settings. Graphics. You might want to put it fast. Fast is for really bad computers. Like, if you have less than 6 gigs of RAM, which is like the memory computer, then you want to run fast. I do fast. Fancy. So, smooth lighting, same thing, off, minimum, just based on the computer. 3D anaglyph. Wait for it. On. This makes everything. Wait, what? Yeah, it makes everything 3D. So if I logged into a world, everything will be 3D. It will be like red and blue. I'm not gonna do that right now. Unless you guys want me to. I mean, it doesn't do it on the menu, it just makes everything kind of darker. But if you wear those classic blue and red 3D glasses, and then do that, you'll get Minecraft in 3D, which is pretty cool. Alright, off. Okay, so then you have GUI scale. So GUI scale is like the size, so I click small. This is the size of your user interface, it's UI. So medium, large. I keep mine at large. If you really want to go for this, then I usually would do auto. As you can see, it's easier. Large is if auto is not working. Auto mode. Alright, clouds, same thing. Off, fast, or fancy computer stuff. Full screen, off and on. It basically will get rid of your Windows taskbar or your Mac taskbar. This is usually mostly used for Windows, so your little taskbar on the bottom, depending on what thing you have. So I'm going to skip this stuff. Bobbing, when you walk, it's just going to go off, on. You want to bob while you walk? Off if you want faster performance. Render distance. This is render distance is how far you can see. Obviously, the higher it is, the slower your computer. I keep it around 9 chunks. You can go to 5. If you do 2, so each chunk is a 16 by 16 block radius. So you're gonna get really small field of view. Max frame rate, if your same thing, computer, depending if your computer can really only handle 10 frames per second, I don't think you can run Minecraft. Brightness, easy enough. Brightness of how bright you want to see Minecraft. I usually keep it bright. You can get dark while mining in gates. Particles, I put all. Usually I don't know why it's a decrease. Particles is like potion effects or the little things like rain you see. Async, that is, it changes the way your mouse works. I'm pretty sure. Alternate blocks, this is mod. Entity shadows. So an entity in Minecraft is a player, an animal, an item. So anything that's not a solid block. It's, do you want a shadow or not? Okay, video settings. Language. Choose your language. Research map. This is the way you see Minecraft. Do you want it to look something like this? Wait for it. Do you want it to look like this? With all these fanciness and a different look? Or do you want it to look at a higher resolution? This is the way you choose. So you can download these online, but be wary while downloading them. If you see a button that's like, play now, download now, those big convincing looking buttons, don't click them, please, just don't. Super secret settings, in-game, super secret settings, they're fun. Sometimes they will make your screen blurry, sometimes you will see from an upside down perspective. This only works in the game, by the way, not just in settings. Sometimes everything would be rainbow and swirly. Sometimes colors get reversed. Pretty cool. Broadcast settings. If you like to stream your videos on Twitch.tv, which is a live broadcasting service, which is behind accounts, go to your settings in Twitch and get go to Mojang and get the accounts. Controls. Very simple stuff. Just customize your needs. Alright, chat settings. Chat settings. This is multiplayer. Alright, chat, I always keep shown. Web links, always keep shown. Prompt, etc., etc., etc. I usually keep everything by default. Now, if you are the parents that are worried, hidden. Just keep it hidden. So how multiplayer servers work? Default chat, using basic chat, it would be chat. But most multiplayer servers use plugins or modifications, which use these special commands to color stuff and make it look better. So if you put commands only, you'll still be getting chat on most multiplayer servers. So hidden or shown. Web links is basically a URL that people can post. It's really easy to access URLs in Minecraft. You just go to chat and click on it, and it'll ask you if you want to go to that site. Click yes. if you're worried about chat, you can just turn it off, or you can turn off web links too. I always keep this on. You might accidentally click on a web link. It will prompt you to say, do you really want to go to the site? This is just these sidebars are just the places where the text will be. It will always be in the lower left-hand corner, but it's just the size and the scale of the area. Colors I keep on. I don't see a reason to keep it off. Reduce debug info is off. This will be server info for... This will not really have much an effect in chat. This will just be teeny little things that go on, like a error message or something. I just keep it off because there's not going to be a lot of error messages if you're doing it right. Done. Snipper settings. This is basically telling you everything you do ever. So I allow it on. I don't know why I do, but I guess I can just look. I can see client, vanilla. Vanilla means this is not a modded game. This game has no modifications. CPU cores. This is kind of part of your computer stats. Current action. I'm in single player. I'm not playing with anyone. Display frequency. Some of this stuff not a lot of people understand. I don't even understand a lot of it. Display type. Window. This means I'm not on full screen. And that, man, I don't know. FPS, 30. That is only slightly a lie. I am not getting 30 FPS. In the menus, you only get 30 FPS because that's all you need. By the way, sorry, I forgot. FPS is frames per second. That means how many pictures you're seeing at once. Or how many pictures are going. Is it like every second something will move, like if you're watching my mouse, it's moving slow, or is it really nice and smooth, and it's almost like real life? That would be higher FPS. So in the menus, you should get 30 frames per second. Out of game, it just depends on your computer. Personally, I get 100 to 200, which is higher than normal. This is all the default texturing. This usually is all going to be true unless you're using mods. Now this is going into your computer. This is telling you what version of Minecraft you're playing. This is telling you how much memory in your computer is left. The amount of memory you have, the total memory you have, what type of graphics card, so NVIDIA graphics card, made by that, the version of it, x686 computer, that's the OS architecture, kind of how the operating system is built around your computer, is it a laptop, etc. Windows 8. This is just, I am not using actually a resource pack right now. Resource packs, so if you're using one, which I'm not, so as you can see, it gets updated every week. This will not be needed to use. You will almost never need to use this. I just allow it on. This just lets Mojang and Microsoft collect information about what you're doing in Minecraft, just as a customer service thing. So those are all the options. I just went through all the options. Multiplayer. Multiplayer is worked simple. Not really. You have to go and get the server domain name and IP address. I will make another video about this. This is not really options, but you have the domain name, or you can have an IP address. More tech-savvy people would understand that. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. This is a longer video, I guess. I might have been talking a bit fast. I kind of wanted to get through this. It was a lot of settings to cover, and not all of you guys have a lot of time. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Once again, comment below if you have any videos you want me to do, like gaming guides. I will have a gaming guide for a Minecraft-like game called Space Engineers coming soon. See you guys. Thank you for watching.